Yeah, I stopped the recording. I should keep this away then. So, wait, I think I should restart. 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode, the pilot episode of 10 More Minutes with Mom. Do you know why it's called 10 More Minutes with Mom?
Please do tell.
So basically, it's the moment that a mother and her child share when she's trying to wake them up. So, like when you're sleeping and your mom comes to wake you up, and you say, "Arey mummy, 10 minutes more, yaar." So mom says, "Acha, theek hai." So the mom knows that the son is not going to wake up in 10 minutes. The son knows the mom will again come back and the cycle will be repeated.
Yes.
It's a very mutual understanding कि दोनों झूठ बोल रहे हैं, but फिर भी everything is the same.
Right.
And every day it happens. So that's the kind of ऐसा moment that I want to capture. Okay, by the way, this is Mothership. Everyone knows you as Mothership, by the way,
Hi,
because
everyone.
I keep uploading screenshots of some of our chats where you are savage and everyone has come to love you.
Lovely. That's good.
So, वो बोलते हैं, "अरे, your mom is so cute, your mom is so savage.
I see.
I wish my mom was as cool as your mom." ऐसा सब है. So, everyone is generally a big fan of you.
Alright. That gives me lots of confidence.
Yes.
Right.
So you are a icon on my Instagram.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you guys and you, because even she doesn't know anything at this point. I want to tell you guys what this podcast is about. Okay, so first of all, I want to confirm that you're completely unaware about anything that's going on right now.
Of course.
You don't know anything.
Of course.
Even the name I told you just now.
Yes.
Okay, so basically what's going to happen is I'm going to be asking you questions.
Okay.
And these are questions that everyone has in their minds that they want to ask their parents but are too scared, or they have different reasons not to ask. Maybe it's too awkward, whatever. Okay? And I want you to answer honestly.
Okay.
Honestly, truthfully, without changing your opinion,
Yeah.
as just like you would answer if this camera was not there.
Right.
Okay?
I'll try my best.
Try my best नहीं, वही चाहिए.
Alright.
Okay. And also you will not be averse to answering any kind of question. Okay, so whatever I throw at you, you have to. And by the way, interview नहीं है, it's a discussion, so you
ठीक.
can ask me questions.
ठीक.
ठीक है. Coming to the topic for episode 1. This is by far the most popular. Do you have any guess what the question is?
No.
Would you like to venture a guess?
Not yet.
Okay. Good. Don't want to spoil future episodes.
Yes.
Okay. This is a very obvious and very frequently thought of question.
Alright.
But no one asks this. Okay. Question number 1
Alright.
of episode number 1.
Shoot.
What if you caught me or found out that I was drinking without permission? I can see that your smile has instantly dropped. You were like this.
Yes. Yes.
So what if?
One eternity later.
I don't know. I think I would not be all that comfortable looking at you drink.
Okay.
Considering I feel your age is too
Okay.
young.
I'm 20.
Still
Legal age is 20
21 only for beer, I suppose.
for beer
Okay.
and
25 for other drinks.
जानकारी सब
हाँ तो
है.
जानकारी तो होगी ही.
Okay. So you think I'm too young to be drinking?
I think yes. I mean I will not be comfortable with you drinking, especially without permission. तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, अच्छा ही नहीं लगेगा.
Okay. What if I tell you and drink?
फिर भी अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा.
अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा, but at least you are informed ना.
I don't know. I think I would rather listen or hear it from you rather than listening it or hearing it from any outside party.
हाँ तो वही
अच्छा नहीं लगेगा,
अच्छा
is
नहीं
what-
लगेगा हाँ but what will you do मतलब if अच्छा there are two scenarios here. One, I tell you, I've already drunk it like the previous night or this night. मतलब दारू पीने के बाद बोला है, inform किया है. ओके और दूसरा है दारू पीने के पहले परमिशन मांग रहा हूँ कि मैं इधर जा रहा हूँ, दारू पी सकता हूँ क्या?
पहले सिनेरियो को तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. इतना ही
हाँ.
एडवाइस दे सकती हूँ कि अगली बार ऐसे नहीं करना.
और अगली बार पहले बता.
नहीं, अगर पहले पूछेगा तो मैं कभी परमिशन नहीं दूंगी.
Good. I always do the first one. Good. Okay. Okay. Why do you think that I am too young to drink? मतलब, is it only an age thing? Because see, where I am coming from is, age is just a number. It's about mental maturity.
फिलॉसफी खोपड़ी खोल दूंगा साले.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So I've told you this that day also. Some people can be 45 and be drinking irresponsibly, and some people can be 18 and still drink responsibly in the same bar on adjacent tables.
You want my opinion on that?
Yeah, that's the podcast.
I feel at 18 you will not be responsible. Or even at 20 you will not be responsible enough. I feel the maturity will take some time and the teenage part is not a part of it.
Okay, 20 is not teenage.
But still,
Okay, wait.
whatever it is,
Huh.
I feel ki it is better if you start earning, know the responsibility of earning the money that you are spending on your drinks.
Oh, so is your problem with मैं बाप का पैसा उड़ा रहा था?
नहीं, बाप का पैसा नहीं, वो तो जिम्मेदारी ही नहीं होगी अगर
हाँ,
खुद
wait.
को मालूम ही नहीं है.
So what? See, now we live in Bombay. We live in Maharashtra. Maharashtra state dictates 21 as beer and 25 as hard drinks. What if we were living in like Rajasthan or Uttarakhand where the legal drinking age is only 18?
I know. It
So
is.
there-
It is not the legal part that I am talking about here. It is my viewpoint that I am telling you. I feel that children at this age are not mature
First
enough.
of all, don't call me children.
Okay.
I am conveniently children in some scenarios and conveniently an adult in other scenarios.
No.
This is also a very big problem. किधर किसी को एयरपोर्ट से पिक करना, अरे इतना बड़ा हो गया है. कभी दारू पीना है, एक बियर पीना, अरे तू बच्चा है अभी. मतलब
Yeah. You can say whatever you want, but I think कि it is too young.
अच्छा. According to you, what is the legal तो छोड़ दो. You don't have a problem with legal. What is the age where someone can start drinking?
I think I already told you, once you start earning, you know your responsibilities
What do you mean responsibilities?
of
Rent.
udoing the money after fulfilling all the rest of your ghar ka this thing.
But I can be earning and still be living with you, no? Like I am right now. Thanks.
Whatever it be, that is not called earning.
Why?
Either ways, whatever it be.
So you mean to say that after I go out of my parents' umbrella and start taking care of myself?
Yes,
that's when
you should know where, so that you know where you stand and how much can be. This is my personal opinion.
Convinced 6 out of 10, but okay. Second, this is the other most obvious. If this was bomb, this is atom bomb.
Alright.
Would you like to venture a guess?
Of course.
Can you?
I don't think so, but go right.
Okay. Same question.
Hmm.
Remove drinking. at smoking. I know this is a very sensitive topic, especially for you. But it's a very popular thing. Not smoking, but it's like a very popular question that everyone has. Ki, even if you don't smoke, even if you smoke, among friend circles, people keep asking, "Arey, what if your mom finds out you've been smoking?" Or like, what if she catches you? You don't have to catch red-handed. You find some box in my bag or something.
I think you know the answer to this.
I think everybody knows the answer to this.
I would definitely not like you to smoke.
Yeah, but I'm
It is
asking.
worse than drinking.
I know.
And it is very, very addictive once you get into it.
That I also know.
Which
But-
is why I would not advocate.
I'm not asking you to advocate it. I'm just saying.
I would be seriously disappointed if you do it.
Yeah, those are all good reactions, but like, what will you do on the day?
शायद ड्रामा
This will
करूँगी.
happen. This will happen.
Yes, of course. I think. I
घर से
would-
बाहर जा will happen.
नहीं, घर से बाहर जा तो नहीं होगा.
At
But-
least
Yeah.
छत है, खाना है, बेड है.
घर से बाहर जा तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन शायद ड्रामा होगा.
Hmm.
I may
शायद नहीं.
shed a few tears.
A few नहीं. Okay. Okay. क्योंकि मैंने देखा है YouTube पे there are prank videos where like their child has hidden some camera somewhere in the room and कुछ तो करके parent comes in and child is pretending to smoke. Okay. And parent is तू सिगरेट मार रहा है and सीधा चप्पल उतार के फाट बेल्ट उतार के फाट.
नहीं, that is too much. I don't think फाट करना चाहिए, especially now that you are an adult.
Oh, a live example. A live example.
As you want
हाँ.
yourself to be considered as an adult. I
अच्छा,
would,
मतलब मारने में मैं adult हूँ?
हाँ, नहीं, मैं मारूंगी तो नहीं,
Okay.
लेकिन इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल जरा कर सकती हूँ.
Okay. Good.
I feel that is my right.
Yeah, it is your right. Okay. Now we're done with normal bomb. We're done with atom bomb. Now we come to hydrogen bomb.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? और भी है?
Yeah.
बोल.
Mary Jane.
अरे मेरी.
It's marijuana or weed, pot, ganja, charas, hash, hashish. What are your thoughts on? Forget me catching me. What are your thoughts on weed? Like, because there is a lot of talk about legalization of weed and weed को legal कर दो. Because see, बहुत पहले when ये सब चालू था, वो क्या नाम है उसका, पाब्लो एस्कोबार वगैरह का चालू था, तो that time the American president said कि we have to take a stand against drugs. सबको drugs का नाम दे दिया. And उस US के जो भी supporters थे, everyone said ban drugs, ban drugs. Before that, weed was legal in India. It was legal in most places. तो अभी ban लग गया. Now, in a twist, a lot of states in the United States have legalized marijuana, medical usage, वगैरह वगैरह, recreational. In Canada, a lot of other countries. भारत देश का क्या ख्याल है आप?
बेसिकली वीड क्यों लेते हैं यही मुझे नहीं समझ में आएगा.
दारू क्यों लेते हैं? दारू क्यों लेते हैं?
वही let me complete what I'm
Okay, sir.
saying. I think there must be very particular reasons for people to indulge in such recreational or medicinal, of course. It's beyond anybody. But for recreational, this thing also, maybe they are compelled into it, or maybe they find relief because of
Okay.
their regular
Okay.
the tensions and etc of life.
अच्छा.
उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है, लेकिन
First of all, do you think it should be legal in India? So that once it becomes legal, you can tax it, you can allow other means of consumption. Because right now, most weed is consumed in joints. You smoke it. And smoke, whether marijuana, tobacco, is harmful. So if you legalize weed, you can put it in edibles, in cakes, in gummy bears, pills वगैरह, edible pills. तो you are eliminating smoking का bad effects. But हो रहा है.
see, it is not fair to put all whatever weed that you're saying in gummy bears, or because
It's not
it is mostly used by eaten by children.
अरे but these won't be eaten by children.
कुछ भी
That's correct.
I
But
mean-
then how are you going to stop kids from using it?
अरे then
And I don't think
you keep it away from children.
that's okay, but I won't advocate legalizing weed,
Okay.
knowing fully well that even though it is not legal, it is very widely used by many youngsters.
Why are you smiling?
नहीं, अभी तो समझ में आता है, having 2 boys your age, there are these issues, not only in many study places or whatever, colleges,
Achha.
schools, etc.
Hmm.
But it is very easily available for a person who really wants it.
Yeah, so that's what we're trying to change now. See, people are using it anyway. So
But still,
instead
I
of-
don't think it should be legalized. You may call
Achha.
me to be, or you may view my views or as very
conventional and
yes,
orthodox.
yes,
and
as very orthodox,
old-fashioned.
old-fashioned. Yes, that's the correct
Old-fashioned.
word. But
So, no ganja. For full country.
yes.
Achha, ठीक. Okay, first episode. That's it.
That's
Very
all?
Yeah, very short episode.
Mhm.
So that there are questions left for the future also,
Of
no?
course.
So,
That's a shabd.
hey, thanks.
Thank you, boys and girls.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share this video with your friends, with your parents especially. This is how parents think. Your parents, check if your parents think the same way. Comment what other questions you would like to ask Mothership. And stay tuned for the next episode. Bye. Woo! Is it
I don't
crazy?
think I was nervous or conscious, was I? अरे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा यार उसने?